this would have also brought me to another question, which is the handling of the user count. So I would expect it's different for the hosting service to handle 100 users than to handle 100 million users. So how does this has an influence on the front end or the system
So
itself?
basically, you are asking here if we have 1 million people calling Uber or using Kraken, OKX. So you already know that they are able to handle like 1 million requests at the same time because this system is already well built for this kind of thing. But although you see some website like a government appointment booking website or some ticket website, when they have a lot of users, the website is totally down, right? So this kind of thing you're asking. So sometimes we see some websites down, but sometimes you see Google or Uber or Zalando, Kraken, they can deal with like millions of users through this design. There's no problem, right? Then you want to know how Moonchain solves this kind of question.
Exactly,
Right.
right.
Yeah. So this is something that actually implemented elegantly using a design called gas.
Okay.
So the gas, not going to expand it more time here, I just summarize. So the gas is a dynamic system that you see 1 million people here simultaneously clicked swap USDT to MXC. And then they will get a gas fee suggestion when they click this and then click sign. And then the whole gas will surge. The gas fee will surge very high. So then a lot of people that they already submit transactions, they will wait until the gas fee is coming down. And some people, they can't wait. They will click speed up. They will pay more gas fee. And then the transaction will be passed here. So we are saying 1 million users are clicking at the same time. So definitely they need to wait. They will just, I would estimate that let's say 1 million users facing this TPS like 3,000, which means 1 second, 3,000 transactions. Wait like a few minutes or half an hour or even longer because they will be confused about why I should increase my gas fee, why I should want to pay some more fees for getting my transaction passed. Right. So then this is implemented elegantly, but I would have to admit this is not so user friendly because most people they don't understand what is gas fee. Right. So what they are facing is why my transaction is not passed. And then tomorrow, when everything, the search is gone, tomorrow, of course, their transaction will be passed. But here, if you call 1 million people call Uber and it's not working, they will contact customer support and then ask them, what's wrong with your app? What's wrong with your website? And then they will tell their developers to fix them. But here, sorry, we only have gas fee system. So if you don't want to pay the gas fee, then you'll just have to wait. Then tomorrow will be fine.
Yeah, but I think that once again, the pro and cons come into play because on the one side, it's pretty good that everything like this load handling is just done by the blockchain and the gas cost of it. But on the other side, we are coming back to the dilemma and the results of it.